How to verify your People account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily verify it. First of all, open the application. So I'm in my home page. Here on the top, you can see this red notice related to the verification of my account. Now, simply tap on this red notice to move forward. Now, in order to verify your account, you must add all the documents that you have. So it's better you add your original document because it might be a fraud. So here on the bottom, simply tap on this resolve button, and this is the place where you can attach your document. Simply tap on the one that you are attaching, and here select the one. Here there are different types, and according to which you can simply select it from your gallery, and after some time your account will be verified. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.